Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video, I will teach you how you can create a stunning cleaning service website for your business. So this is complete tutorial. Don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Make sure you already install WordPress on your hosting platform. But if you not yet have any hosting platform and you're looking for nice hosting, you can find some link in the description, which I personally recommend, where you will also get nice discount. And after that, make sure you install latest version of WordPress on your hosting platform. And the next step will be we will go to setting option. After you install WordPress, we will go to setting. So in the permalink, we will make sure our permalink set to post name, save and continue. The next step, we will install the theme. For that, we will go to appearance, click on themes, click add theme. Now we will install one theme for cleaning service website, which I mostly use this particular theme. You also can try out this theme. The name of theme is Bloxy. So we will click on install and activate our theme right away. Activate it. After you activate your Bloxy theme, it will ask you to install Bloxy Companion plugin. So I will go ahead, click install and it will activate right away. Okay, now we have installed Bloxy Companion plugin. Next step, we will click here, started sites. Click on it and scroll down from the all plans. We will select free here and we will keep scroll down and we will find our template cleaning services, which is also compatible with Gutenberg and Elementor. Okay, so let me click on import. It will also install child file theme. That's okay. Click on it. Click next. Now you have to choose page builder. If you want to go with Elementor, you have to choose Elementor. Otherwise, you also can choose Gutenberg and click next. In this step, it will also install Elementor and WP Form plugins, which is okay. We have to select these both and click next. In the next step, it will ask you to import content. This will import post, pages, comments, navigation menu, custom field, term and custom post. So all the demo content like post, comments, navigation, and we will customize it step by step. You can select the option clean install. Last option, clean install. What that mean? If you already have a WordPress website exists on this particular WordPress, so you can choose clean install. Uh, it will clean your previous installation of WordPress or any content or any theme on your website. So let me select here clean, and so it will import the fresh content. Click install. Let's click on customize. You will see admin panel here. Okay, or you can also click direct here customize when you when you successfully import your website, or you can go to appearance and click on customize. Okay, the same window will be open to customize our website. Because I already have a lot of clients for cleaning service website from different countries, and I try every new template. Some of client they wanna choose something creative, nice look themes. So that's why we try our best always to provide the best service to our clients. Okay, so here in the general option, header, footer, sidebar. Okay, we will follow one by one. Also, we will improve the performance of website, which is very important for the businesses. Let's click on first option, general, and let's check some of the options here. First, click on layout. Let me check layout. If the layout is already good, you don't need to make any changes. If you wanna, the layout site width is 1290 pixel, 1290 pixel. Content area space, content edge spacing, and we will keep as it is. Let's go to buttons. If you wanna enable hover effect on the buttons, you can also adjust minimum height and click publish. Don't forget to click publish every time you make changes. For the button, you also can go to design to button to design the button colors on your website. Right now we have a black, and when we hover it's a yellow, and then you have to look background color option, and where you will able to change the button colors according your brand colors, because I always follow the brand colors, logo colors. In the brand background color, let's choose something else, any other color. Now when you open your website into new tab, you will see the changes. Okay, so let's go back. Number 3 option, breadcrumbs. It's already enable breadcrumb help us also in SEO, search engine optimization, so we will keep in them activate. Form elements, the element for the forms, if we have any form on the website we will check, so we will able to adjust the form. You also can hover your mouse to the header or footer section to direct customize them. If I hover to the header section, you will see I can click, it's clickable. Okay, let's go back. So we will check all the options later on once we start customize it. Let's quickly look at some other option. Entry content compatible, keep it as it is. Let's click on social network accounts. So when you display social media buttons anywhere on your website, make sure you already have fill up these social media account. Only fill up those which you want to enable. So for example, at Facebook you have to provide the Facebook link here in order to display it. So right now there is no any social media button. If I let me click slash to check if Facebook gonna enable somewhere. Visitor engagement, you can provide Google Analytics code here. So if you don't know about what is Google Analytics help us to check how many visitors on our website, the visitor behavior, the country, we can check which country visitors are coming from. You also can enable open graph metadata, and then you have to fill up these options if you want to enable this feature. And then scroll to top button, if I enable this one, there will be scroll to top button here in the right side. In order to scroll our web, here it is, this one, scroll to top, it will immediately bring scroll to top. Okay, website frame, if you want to enable website frame to the corners, if I if I show you now, there is a frame. If this looks good and beautiful, you can keep it. Then you have to keep this option website frame enable, and when you further click on it, you will able to adjust its color. If you want to go with dark one, gray, white, or a red color, any color you can choose here. You also can follow your website colors here. How to change color your website palette, color palettes, I will show you. So let me click on publish. Okay, and then manage option. You will able to export customization setting for your website, and you also can reset your website here. Setting, for the setting, click this button if you want to reset all the setting to their default values. If you did something wrong on your website and you are not sure how to fix it, you can directly click here reset options. And let me go back from the general to header section, which is very important, where we will customize our header section, and we will follow the rows here, downside, top row, middle row, and downside. So right now we only have a main row enabled, because inside the main row you will see little elements present. But if you want to enable top bar on your website also for the social media something, and then you have to look at left side and you will see social, then you have to drag it to the top bar, right side or left side. You have to follow it. If I drag here, right side, and now social media button will be enabled on our website. If I, because right now we did not fill up any social media, so I have to make setting to fill up social account. If I click here on the socials, left side, it give me option to add any other social media. If you want, you will able to select it here like Instagram and click this plus icon. Now Instagram will be here also. Okay, let me go back. I already explained you earlier in the general section, social network accounts. Make sure you already have a value here. Okay, then those will be visible. If I scroll down for the Telegram, okay, let me find, okay, Telegram enable. All the icons now visible here. Okay, but it look very smaller. Let me go back now. Click publish always. Let me go back now to the header option and click on socials and click on design, where you also can choose color for the icons. So if I click here on the default state, click on initial and choose the button color like dark, those will be dark. Okay, transparent state. Okay, hover color, you will also change hover color for the icons. Publish. Now we have social icons. So now let's go to logo to change our this logo. And in the middle row, you in the middle row starting, you will see logo. Click on it, and now here you will see your logo. We have to change all these. Click edit. Let me put any logo just to show you. I will add any logo from my website. Okay, click select. Now we have new logo here. Okay, look very smaller. We can adjust it. Scroll down to logo height. Increase the logo height little bit. Okay, perfect. So if you not have logo, then what's next? You can also display your website name here. For example, now let me give you example of site name. Let me cancel logo now. Scroll down, enable site title, enable it. Okay, so let me Preet cleaning. Okay, this way you can display website name also here, and also the tagline. You have to enable the tagline also. The tagline will be displayed under the site name. Look like this. If you don't want to enable on mobile phones this particular site name, you have to uncheck the mobile phone here icon. Site title visibility. Keep it as it is to display everywhere. Okay, now click on design, where I can also design the font for this site title, color, and hover color also. Let's click on font on the default family to select another font for the site title. Try out different. Okay, perfect, this one. And then go to default state, select the color. Let's go with something gray. Okay, and then hover color I will keep same as it is, and then publish. Now we have a website name here, and then we have a services about blog content. Okay, then we have a shows menu here, home, services, about, blog, contact. Then we will look here in the middle row, middle here, menu one. Click on it, where you will able to also choose the design of your menu like that. I want to keep as it is. Then you also can give space, item spacing. If you want to give more space in the menu like that, keep it closer. Okay, and then scratch menu if you want to sketch it. Okay, and how you can change your menu pages, let me show you. Item hover effect, if I choose solid color, yeah, it's a solid color now. If I boxed color, let's try out boxed color. It's something like boxed. Simple, keep it simple. Reveal effect, you also can set reveal effect. Okay, you have a lot of settings here, you can adjust. Okay, now how to change, select the menu, which menu should display here. So then you have to scroll up, you have to look option, select menu. Now we only have main menu available in the backend. How to create this menu? Let me, so I have already select main menu first here. Then when I customize my menu, I will look the name main menu. So if I go to WordPress, let me refresh. Okay, I will go to appearance. So first you have to look at your website page, which page you wanna keep for your cleaning services. So if I show you the default pages, click on pages, all pages. Now we have some pages, important pages on our website like about, blog. So I have some other color, let me delete those. Okay, so I have important pages like about, blog, contact, home, privacy policy, services. So now now I need to customize all of these pages step by step. I will show you customize one page, how you can customize it. For the menu, let me go to appearance, click on menus. So make sure first you have that page available you want to add to menu. First you have to make sure your pages are ready. And then in the menu section, first, right now I only have one menu, main menu selected. If you want to create your own menu, click on create new menu and then look at pages option, click view all, and it will show you all your website pages available here. Then you have to select which page you want to display in the menu, select it and click on add to menu. The pages will be added here like that. Okay, just to show you, make sure header menu 1 selected here, because header menu 1 we are customizing. Mobile menu, the same header, that means same menu options for the mobile unit. If I open mobile by clicking here downside little icon, mobile icon, and I click on the menu, now you will see the same menu in the mobile phone. If you want to create separate menu for the mobile phone, then you have to uncheck the mobile menu. Okay, and then save changes. Next time when you click create menu, then only select the mobile menu instead of header, because header menu we already have. So then you have to select mobile menu, so that will create for the mobile also, not for the header menu. Header menu will be separate. Then if you want to keep same menus item for the mobile and desktop, then you have to keep select both of these. Save menu. Okay, so let me remove extra pages from here. I want to keep, I have extra pages, so I don't want to mess up with the pages, a lot of items here. So I will keep home, about, service, blog, contact. Perfect. Okay, now we have save our menu. So main menu also selected here. Where you will know it from here. Main menu name is main menu. Okay. Then you have to same select here to display it. Now let me back to desktop and then let's change the phone number, call us. I will click on HTML because this particular element is HTML. Click on HTML and look here left side. You will see the little box to change your number. Okay, select it or click edit. and in the same format keep edit. In the bracket change the three numbers like 1 2 3, and then rest keep the format as it is for USA, Canada. Okay, and you can change the number here after you make changes. Let me make changes here. Let me delete all this, or one by one. 2133, and in the end 78906565. Now you will see right way changes here. And then content alignment, you can make keep it middle. Okay, if I close the sidebar, and you will able to check it. So if you want to keep it somewhere here, little middle or right side, you have to select content align to left. Okay, you also can enable for the login or logout user for both, because right now we are working on cleaning service. You might not have a login option, so don't worry about it, keep it as it is. Then let's click on design, where we can design the color for call us, the color, also the fonts, same as it is here in the menu, in the site title we did. If you want to give space somewhere to this section, you can fill up the margin. Make sure uncheck it. Okay, so if you want to give space left side 22. Okay, let me close sidebar, it go to left, but I want to keep it here. So I will put value in the right side, in the right box 22. Okay, now it's very middle. If I wanna make more 44, let's try out. Now you can see here it's very far from the button. This way you can put value. Make sure uncheck this option PX, uncheck it, publish. Okay, so we have done header section. Okay, but if you wanna change the design for the header, so let me explain you from the beginning. Click on header option, and then click headers, global headers, click on it, and then choose the design for your header. If you like any other design, you can go with. Okay, it's sticky functionality. If you want to keep sticky header like that, even someone scroll the website, the header will be still there, sticky header. You can change this design for the sticky header. This is for the sticky header. If I choose this one, the last one, only bottom row, so it will only display bottom row. Let me click only top row. Okay, I wanna display only main row, main and bottom row. Okay, okay, so I have only main row. You can disable disable enable the top row you wanna uh, enable for upon hover. Top row is here. We have social buttons. So if I scroll up back, now my button is there, but if I scroll down, there is no button, because in the selection I select main and bottom row. So either I have to choose top and main row, number second option. Now if they scroll down, they will also see keep seeing these icons also. Okay, publish. Let's check out some other option. You can adjust the offset. You also can add effects. Slide down, it will slide down. You can adjust the speed for the slide down, and you can select fade. Yeah, upon the hover, your header will be fade, auto hide or show. Okay, when you scroll up it will show, scroll down not show. And the transparent functionality, added conditions, you can edit the condition where you want to display this particular header. If you want to display on the entire website, then you have to keep entire website, but it's excluded from 404 search or archive. But if you want to display on those also, only keep include entire website, rest delete them. So it the header also show in the 404 page, search page, all archive, I mean on all website. So keep only the first option, entire website, rest delete them. Let's go to design, where you can design your header. Let's click on default state and choose the color. Let me try out if it's gonna work. Let me scroll down. Okay, offset. Okay, don't forget to click publish always when you make changes. Let's now go to the footer section to customize the footer section quickly. Okay, when you scroll down to the footer section, you will see boxes. Let me, there is a lot of stuff. So when you hover to the footer section, you will see edit option. Click on it. Okay, and then you will see column, how many column you wanna keep into the headers footer section. 4 column, 3 column, you can select like 3 column, and then you can also column space. Okay, then you have to edit all these boxes, right, for the footer. Let's click on first box. When you hover the mouse, you will see edit. Click on edit, and wizard area will be open here left side. Cleaning service, this is actually a logo. If you want to display logo in the footer, then you have to select this logo and look for option replace. Click on it, open media library, and now select your logo for the footer. Okay, you also can adjust your logo this way, but it's look bigger. I wanna keep it smaller. You also can adjust into the, let me check if I can find the option to, okay, so let me make it a little smaller. Okay, this is perfect. And then for the description, you can delete the old description for the footer, this one, and provide paste. You can paste it anything here. Just let me delete. Okay, select until here, and let me pick any description from anywhere just to show you. Okay, let me paste, copy this one, and now I will paste here. If I'm able to paste here, no, let me copy this one and paste here. Yeah, it's work. Okay, it's changed now. Now if you want to keep one column for the description, delete one column. If I click two different, these are two different boxes, so I will delete. Click on three dots, scroll down to delete it. Now you have one box for the description. Provide all description here in the one box. Okay, then we have a, you can see where a wizard missing. You can delete it, we don't need it. Okay, let's go to quick links, add it. Now we will add quick links. Right now we only have this title, quick links, nothing else. So we will add quick links here. Like we have services, same, house cleaning, office cleaning. Actually these are pages or sections. Either you have to create different pages for different cleanings, or you can add into one page like service page, you can display there. Okay, so here this is the same navigation menu. You have to select the menu here. Right now it's quick link menu, so it give you option to choose the menu. So I want to change the same header menu here, like services, blog, and then here services or important pages here. So either I have to make one more menu for quick link. In the quick link, you can display like privacy policy term conditions. So let's go back to our WordPress appearance, click on menu. So my menu already open. So let me click on this one, create new menu. Now I will name it quick menu, and then I will not select anything because manually we will add it. Okay, now we have option here on the pages to select pages. Right now I cannot see the privacy policy pages. Make sure those pages are not in draft. Make sure those are published. Let me go to pages, all pages. Let me open into new tab. So I can see, yeah, privacy policy, different pages. Let me delete all those. I will keep only one page. We don't need many pages. It will slow down our website. Okay, so privacy policy, quick edit. I will publish it first in the status, publish, update. Now I will able to see this page into the menu. Go to appearance again, menu. So I need to create menu again. Create new menu. Quick links. Now I will look view, click on view all. Now I can see privacy policy page here. Okay, so I have to select here and add to menu. My privacy policy will be, the page will be added here. In some cases I'm not able to select it. Okay, I'm sorry. So first I have to name it quick menu. First I have to click create menu. Sorry for that. First I have to click create menu. Save menu. Okay, now I will able to select my pages. Click view all. Now select your pages you want to display into the footer section. Privacy policy, same way select other like term conditions of your business, and after select click add to menu. Now I have one page privacy policy under quick menu. Save menu. I will only simply save menu. Now I will go here where we customize our footer section. I just refresh one time. Sorry, let me first publish it so my logo and description won't remove. Make sure you publish time to time. So your work, when you do customization, you have to click publish time to time to update your work. Okay, so I have my logo and my description. Let's click now quick link, edit. In the quick link here, we will select the menu name quick link. We just build the menu. It might take some time. For the visits, first you have to decide how many visits you wanna display in the footer. For that, you have to click the main footer section from here. You can see my mouse edit, where you will able to select it. Then follow one by one box. This way, you will able to change any column in the footer. Okay, let me delete the visit footer visit area 2. So I will drag again visit area 2, or you can drag directly the menu element between the same place here. Okay, so now my page is automatic showing. I will click on menu, click on menu. It's not clickable. Okay, let me drag the element visit area number 2 again. Okay, quick link, add it. Let me delete it. I will add again. Add block, search for menu, navigation menu, select. Yeah, it's work now. Now I will simply select quick menu we just made. In quick menu we only have one privacy policy, right? So I have select here, publish. Now I have one page. It will display. It takes some time. Now it's a display here. So go to design. If you wanna change the design for your menu sections. Okay, let me select here. Now it's working. Privacy policy. The color is red. Let's go to design again to change other color, black. Okay, keep it black. Perfect. Publish. Same way we will go to services to check which ways it used here. For that we have to edit it to check the environment. Yeah, it's actually only hashtag available in the backend. So either you have to uh, make changes to them, or you can make a separate menu for the services. If you have multiple services or multiple pages on your website, then you have to create another menu. Same way, quick link, same way, create menu name services, and then you can delete it here, delete all things, and drag the ad block, click on ad block and search here menu, and you will see option navigation menu. Select here and then select your menu. You can delete all these things here, but if you want to follow these, select first one with the mouse and add it. Start typing like office cleaning, and now it will change here. I will edit link. You have to search the link available in the back and make sure you have a available page for that. If I search now like office, it won't show me anything when I search in the link because I don't have a page. If I search for privacy, it will show me privacy, or you have to provide the particular link from the pages. You have to first go to pages, click all pages, and then which page you want to link to that section. For example, this one is about office cleaning. So I will click on view, right click, copy link address. Any page you want to copy here, do the same method. Go to view, right click, copy link address, and come back to the link section and paste that particular link and select it. Now someone click here cleaning, office cleaning, they will go visit to that particular link you copy. Make sure you have all those pages like office cleaning. You can make separate pages for those. That's okay. And then if you want to add more stuff, now let's go to copyright. In the menu bottom here, you will see bottom row in the footer. Click on it and let's follow this box, footer box. Click on bottom row, copyright, and then change it. Copyright current year, keep as it is current year. Design by, you can provide information here. Where you want to align it, horizontal, left side, center, right side, you can change it. Copyright text. Then publish. Now our everything will be saved. Let me go back. Next we have settings or the sidebar, where the sidebar present in the blogs. Let me click on the blog. Sidebar always available in the blog mostly. You can edit it here. Blog structure, it will edit blog structure, how your post will be look like, and then follow these simple steps. Enhance grid, you can choose this one. 2 column and then 3 column, then 2 again, 3 again, like that. Or you can go with the grid, simple grid. Looks good, but you can increase the column post, increase the number 3 to number 4. Now we have a 4 blog post in one column. Looks good. Yeah, here sidebar option in the page elements. Enable the sidebar. Now you will see the sidebar here. It's not visible because in sidebar we have nothing added. If you want to enable sidebar, you can decrease the column part to only 2. So our sidebar and post look beautiful. But if not, you can disable the sidebar. If you want to edit the sidebar, you want to add some items here, then after enable it, click on it. Then you can able to change its left side position, right side position. But if you want to add stuff in the sidebar, go to backend appearance, click on widgets. You will see the sidebar option to make changes, or you can cancel this one and you will see main sidebar. Yeah, okay, it's here. Now you have to click add block. One by one you can add things, like you want to add menu to the sidebar. Select find menu, select menu. First it will display the menu. Okay, quick menu. And then the second you want to display like categories. Select for search for category list. It will display category list. Okay, you can make category list under the post categories. Then you can display your post categories. If I update, now my sidebar will start display, and I will just refresh it. Now my sidebar will be here. This is just to show you how you can add sidebar, different blocks in the sidebar. If I go to blog, and now my sidebar have items different menu, and this is the categories, but you have to provide title for these, or you can directly now click here edit. It's not showing here, but you have to do it in the backend always. So let me click first menu, give it title menu. Always put in the main title option something. You also can add title here. When you hover little above, you will see plus icon and select here title. You will able to add title here and you can change it. Okay, if you want to display something else, keep add, click on add block, and you can browse all. You can drag add anything to your sidebar from here. After the blog post, let me go back, and then we have sidebar colors. Let's click on colors, where you will able to change all your website colors. You can save your colors, color palette. You can click here, click color palette. You also can choose different color palettes you like here. Example, color palette number 12, select it. Now it will apply to whole your website. Which color you like, you can choose easily by clicking advanced color palette, or you can click here add new color, and then you have to add one by one these color. You have to add it. Click each box and keep select your colors. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, second color black, and third color blue, like that. Now you will see changes right away. Let me go to color palette number 3. Okay, perfect. What else? You have a typography. You can change font for your website. For whole website, you can change fonts for your whole website from here. Base font, heading font, you can change your heading font. Okay, and then you can change font for the buttons also from here. Buttons, if I go to button, I can change font from here directly for the buttons. Okay, what else? Performance, which is very important. In the performance, keep all these options enabled. It will help you in the performance. Nothing complicated here. Just to keep enable all these things. So if I explain lazy load image, if someone visit on your website, the image will lazy load, lately open to improve your website speed. Post page title feature image, so it will delay the feature image. Single post, okay, it will help you improve overall performance for your website. Okay, now let's start customizing our home page, which is very important. Let me go back to my home page, click on view site. Now I wanna customize my home page. So as you remember, when we set up this template, we choose edit will Elementor, right? So now we will able to change with the Elementor. Now this image here, this is actually an image not showing, but we will keep make it enable image. Then you can click directly click here, edit with Elementor for the home page. And now we will start customizing our home page. Okay, now image is showing. For some reason, image not was not showing. It's now good. Now, okay, first let's talk about you want to change this background image. Let me anywhere click edit container, anywhere, not on the titles, anywhere, somewhere here, somewhere here. Right click, edit container, and look for option here. Follow the box here. Click on style. Under the style, you will see same images here. Just click on it to change it. Your background will image will be changed. Okay, click on it. Let me choose something else, any other image here. Okay, let me choose this one. Now our background image has been changed. Okay, let's choose this one just to show you how you can change it. You can find nice cleaning images, stock images, and then you can use them here. This look beautiful. Okay, every time you make changes, for example, image has been uploaded, click right away publish, so you don't miss your work. Okay, let's start customize this professional cleaning services. You can always double click on it and look for left side here. This is actually my left side. Okay, so here professional cleaning services, you can easily change it. Welcome to Preet cleaning services. Okay, now I will immediately click on publish so I don't miss my work. Commercial and residential cleaning. Double click on it or right click, edit heading. The same this box we will follow. Under the title, look inside the box, there is a text. Just to change it. Okay, and then keep scroll down, get free appointment. Click on it, and same way you can change it, free appointment. Instead of get free appointment, book free appointment. Okay, now it changed immediately. Let's click on downside. What is it? So this is actually form, booking form, which is very important for cleaning services. We need to provide form in order to get queries, right? So instead, here you have to select a form. So how you can find and edit this particular form? Let me first select the form here, book appointment inline. So that means this particular form used here. So book appointment inline. Let me quickly publish it. Now I will go back to my WordPress backend and I will go to WP Forms. You remember when we installed this template, we installed two plugins, so Elementor and WP Form. WP Form actually it give you functionality, automatic create those forms. We can edit them as we want. So, hover to WP Form, click all forms. Now we will see which form available in the backend. You also can create your own form. Now we have like a newsletter, book appointment inline, which we already select here from the selection. So for the selection, for example, now, okay, you also can select from here directly. When nothing is showing here, just click, you will see little um, gray shadow. Just you have to click within it to get these options here, or you can select from here. Booking inline form, it will immediately display it. Now let's edit our book appointment inline form. Why we need to add it? Because we need to check if someone fill up this form, where the query should go, which is very important thing, right? Because most of my client, they get services from other service marketplace, and they mostly have issues. Some web developer miss this particular important things, so I fixed, always most of client I fix these things, technical things in the forms, which is very important. So I will go to the form, edit. Okay, now I will able to customize my form or change colors if you want. And look at the option what we have in the booking appointment inline. We will follow these downside boxes: name, phone number, drop down. Let's click on name. You can click anywhere, and look left side again, label. Under the label, you can change it from name. But if you want to ask their name, phone number, drop down, under the drop down you have to configure your services, right? So let's click on first name. You can change it here, format, or you can choose the format, first name, last name, like that. Okay, and you want to make it required, select required here. Let's click on phone number. Same way, you want to make it required, select required, change its label. Drop down, which is very important. Under the drop down there are mention, for example, someone looking for which service, they have to select here, right? So they will able to, let me check if I'm able to select here. Okay, so let me show here the same options there: house cleaning, office cleaning, pool cleaning, window cleaning. So what, either I have to delete all these from red color, red icon, or I have to change it. Okay, one by one, type with your keyboard your services here one by one. If you want to add more services, click this little plus icon. One box will be added to the down section, and add it. Start typing pool cleaning. Okay, like this way you can make it required. In the description you can provide some lines like, please choose your preferred services, something, anything. And description will show to the downside here, somewhere here, if you want to give some notice to the form. Then otherwise you can delete it, you don't need to show it. Okay, now once you done everything, click save. You don't need to do anything rest of it, because you already select the form here, it will immediately change. When you change in the backend, it will also change in the front end. Let's move to next. We provide the best service, double click on it, keep edit, and change the titles. Double click on the description. In the box, paste the description or type with the keyboard to change the description here. For the boxes like house cleaning, $60, 70, 60, something like that. If you wanna display more, you can duplicate the section. You can display 6 services on the home page. Then you have to hover here, edit container, right click, duplicate. Now it will duplicate another 3 to the downside. We need to give some space here. Okay, if you wanna display more services on the home page, but if you have a multiple services, I will recommend keep only 3, and rest add the button here, all services, contact us now. Keep the button, someone click here, they will see all the services. To edit the button, click on the button and look here in the text. You can change this text is here, view all services. You can change this text under the link, which is very important. You make sure you have a services page. If I go to pages, I'm sure we have services page when we import our template. Let's check. Yeah, we have services page available. So I will delete the number sign, and I will start typing ser services, and it will suggest immediately. It will pull out all the pages you have. Then you can select the services here. Very simple. Someone click here, they will go to services page. This is very important. So sometimes buttons are not clickable. That's why, because the link not properly configured here. Let's click on contact us now. Change the text for contact us. In the link, search for page again, contact. Yeah, contact page is there. Select. Now someone click here, they will go to contact us page. Don't forget to click publish. Let's edit the boxes here. To edit each box, you have to click anywhere the title or description or icon. Right click on it, edit icon box, where you will change the icon, this icon, property icon, and then you have to, under the icon option, click on icon library, where you will see all the icons you can choose here. Okay, let me show you. Choose one, any of these, insert. Now this icon is here, so let me choose search for home. Okay, select it, insert. Now I have this beautiful icon. So house cleaning, you can change it here in the title. Description, you can change this description. How about the prices? This price box is different, element is different. Then you have to exactly click on from 60, the letter, click on exact on it, and then look at here text. You can provide here like $70, $80 your service rate. And then let me give you one tip here. If you have a you know how to generate the payment links. If you're using third party appointment services, or you know how to generate the payments link exactly for the $60, then it give you benefit. You have to provide that link here, someone, they will able to click here. Okay, because I always look to improve someone's business. I always give best tips what I can do. Okay, now let's go to office cleaning. Same way, click, or you can click just one click anywhere, little box here, not on the color, just between it. And then title, change it, description, change it, icon, change it. And you can also put link here. If I put a link, the whole box will be clickable. This title will be clickable, office cleaning. But I will recommend you keep this number. But if you want to remove these, some people they want to remove, let me select any icon to make to show it beautiful. Okay, for example, some people they don't like this price, so you have to come over exactly from 60, right click with the mouse and scroll down to the delete option, click on it, and now price will be removed from here. You have to one by one remove the price if you don't want. Okay, so last box, laundry, you have to add it same way. This image, click on the image, left side change this image, and then you can keep as large. We are industry, this is title, under description, these are tabs. For the tabs, click on the tabs and you will see option under items, click one by one. and you can change all these like a worry free service, trusted experience. You will able to change it. For the title, for the title description, actually anywhere on your website, very easy. Double click on the title or right click, edit text editor. Make sure where you want to make changes, there you need to right click. For example, heading, it auto give you option edit heading, or double click, easy double click with the mouse. Okay. This way you can change all these things. Same boxes, click on it and keep change here. And the video, how you can change this video, click on the video. Okay, actually this is the background image. So you have to click here, edit container, style, and change the image here. And this button will be clickable, I think. So you have to click on this icon and look here. Look at a link. Inside the link, put the video link here. Okay, someone click here, they will go to this particular link. So you have to click on the particular icon. Save time and money, double click on it and change it here. Heading, change it. Customer reviews, same way we added house cleaning. Okay, double click on it and in the box change the what customer are saying, change the testimonials. You want to change the name and downside the customer letter. These are different. Click on this particular exact on the name, exact on the customer and change it here. So you have to follow the mouse cursor and exactly on the item you want to change. You want to change image, exactly on the image. It will when you hover it, you will see edit image and change it here. Same here, you don't want to show the brands or you want to show. If you want to show, then click one of these one by one and choose the brand images. Otherwise, if you want to delete any section from anywhere, you always look here. When edit container, near the edit container you will see delete container, also X. You have to click it here and it will remove whole area of that particular element. Don't forget to click publish always. Contact us, click on it and change your contact us. The button, click on the button and under the link delete the old number sign and type con contact us, and it will give you suggestion for the to select the page. Select the contact page. You can adjust the size. You want a large button or extra large button. Okay, same way you can make changes to the about page, services page and contact page. Let me show you contact page. Let me click on contact page. On the contact page we will able to, if you want to make contact us form, then you have to actually make contact us form first. Yeah, here it is, contact form we already have. Let me open. You can edit also contact form directly. Click edit and follow same way appointment we edited. So let me open website homepage and you will see form also showing, also the tab showing. I put this new pool cleaning. It was already there, but I put this one to show you how you can make changes. And then okay, I forget about to tell you about the notification, which is important. Edit the book appointment inline form again because I missed that thing. Then click on setting. In the setting you will able to change the form name. Okay, and you can keep as it is rest, and then click on spam security. I will suggest to enable anti-spam protection and these things very important. Let's click on notification, this one. Under the notification, send to email address. Someone fill up this query. the email will send to this side administrator email. What this mean? Which email is it? This email is present in the setting, general, and when you scroll down, you will see the email, administrator email address. So that means someone fill up the query, the email will go to side administrator email. But you can click in the box and provide one more email here, and the notification also go to that email also, demo@gmail.com, and hit enter or comma, okay, or add tag, search fee. Okay, this way you can add different send to from email, site administrator email, from name, provide your company name here. Right now it's car service, but it's not. Provide your company name, so someone get email, they will see where it come from. You can put your cleaning service name here. Email subject line you also can change here, and reply to all message. In the email message, keep all fields. Okay, this way you can change also notification. Let's go to confirmation, and this is actually the default confirmation. You can change it because this is the booking form, so we have to change it here. So what is it? The form is about to select the service phone number. Okay, book appointment. Okay, so you can say something here, thank you for your booking, and we will let you know, or we will in touch with you shortly. You can change it here, so someone fill up the form, they will see confirmation message this. Save changes, don't forget to click on save changes. Okay, so if you have any query or question regarding this, or if you want me to design a cleaning service website for you, or our team always working on these projects, you can let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video, I really appreciate it.